To send an email, you have two options. At the top here, or in the Sections column under your courses, you can go find the teacher that you're interested in, across from the course, and click on the mailbox. Check to make sure that the email you're sending is going to the correct person here. You can see at the top where it's from. In the subject line, put a brief statement about what this email is about. In the space below the subject line is an open box where you can type your message. You can ask questions or give information. When you're done with your message, be sure to check your spelling. After all, you are emailing a teacher. All that's left is to send it. To see email that's been sent to you, click here. Here are different folders inside your mailbox. Here is your inbox where all of your messages can be found. Take a look at these messages. The one that's bold is an email that hasn't been seen yet. These that have open letters next to them are messages you've already read. By clicking on one of the emails, you can open the message to see what's inside. Here, you can reply to the person who sent the email. From here, continue on as we did before. If you receive a message that you need someone else to see, like maybe your learning coach, forward it to them here. In order to forward a message, you have to select a recipient here. This is the box that pops up that helps you pick the person that you're going to send the message to, but we'll get into that a little more later. Another option that you have that you should rarely use is the Reply to All button. This button will send your message to the person the original message came from, plus anyone else who also received that message. An attachment is any document or file that someone sends to you through an email. When you click on an attachment, your computer will help you download it. When you've downloaded an attachment correctly, you should be able to see it on your computer screen. An easy way to see if an email has an attachment is to look here. Paperclips on any email system means an attachment is included. To send a new email, click here. You have to decide who to send the email to here. There are several groups of people to send emails to. This is one you'll use a lot. From here, select the teacher you want to send the email to. Click the To button and make sure that the name appears in the box beside it. Finally, click OK. Everyone who's going to receive that email should be listed here. The CC box, or carbon copy, is a useful tool for any student. Let's say Mr. Hamrick, your homeroom teacher, found a problem with one of your grades in Ms. Candelaria's science class. You're emailing Ms. Candelaria, but you want Mr. Hamrick to see the email too. You can do this by using the carbon copy button. Let's do a quick review. A subject line is designed to be a short sentence or statement telling the person that's receiving an email what this email is about. Spend time constructing a message that tells exactly what it is you need. Then, check your spelling. You're going to be required to send messages and assignments through attachments as well. You do that here. In the Options menu, you can choose File. Your computer will give you many options of places that you can go to select a document or file to attach to the email. Click on the document and then click Open. The attachment you selected should be here. Now, click Send. It may take a second for your computer to take the data and put it into the email. Finally, another thing that's important to remember about sending an email, besides the part about how to send the email, is the way in which you should communicate. The subject line is like a title and main idea altogether. It should be a brief summary about your message, and the first letter of each word should be capitalized. Remember to be polite in your message. You should always start by addressing the person that you're speaking to. Next, it's okay to begin asking your questions. Most teachers have many students and lots of subjects that they teach. Be specific with your question. Give numbers of pages, questions, and any information that can help them be more organized in order to help you. You're likely to get a quicker response if you include the question in the email. That way the teacher doesn't have to go hunt it down. Be specific with your question. It's very helpful to the instructor if you restate the problem that you're having. And it's always wonderful to end your email with a thank you. At this point, you can add attachments, check your spelling, and then it's time to send.